Hi, how are you doing today? Today you can see that I have already using a wooden frame which is used as a canvas. So this is a completely solid wood. Alright, so I have put the acrylic color here. Then I'm going to draw a scenery, a girl dancing on the moon. Let's proceed to the next step. For the drawing of the trees, I'm just putting some black colors on the side. So putting the straight lines like this, you can see. So few lines are bigger, which is near at us. It's because of the perspective. And a few lines are going to be smaller, which is in a far distance. That's also because of the perspective. And we're putting some branches like this, which is looks like kind of similar to the Y letter of the English alphabet. Another small tree I am going to paint here. All right, awesome. And putting some leaves or the total presentations of the tree on the top, putting some dots which is going to show the leaves here. And the hatches like we are putting on the rightward directions, doing like this one. It has a crazy effect to show and make the drawings better. Okay, so right side is complete. Now we're moving to the left side, just getting another tree and its branches. Okay, so all the brush strokes will be coming down here. All right, another smaller tree you can see. Okay, and also the leaves here you can see. Right, I'm putting some dots. Later I'm going to uh, do some modifications like this. You can see here it like doing something like the sketches. Awesome. So the trees are getting visible nicely. Okay, all right. Let's draw some other branches from here on this side and also in this side. So both of the sides we just did the painting. So you can see the left side and right side both are complete. Now we are going to paint the dancing figure. So let's put the girl here. This is the, you have to be very careful while painting this one because this is the central figure. And take your time when you draw. just drawing the figure. Okay, this is the hand which is on the back side extended to the both directions. Mhm. And the other hand is also upward, coming up from here and moving to the upper directions. Okay, and as you know, she's wearing the gown, something like, ballet dancer. Actually, this painting is inspired some culture of the Western countries. So the dancer appearing here is like the Western dancer. It's a dress for ballet, and the extended legs you can see here. All right, we're taking the colors and doing the jobs very carefully. All right, and another legs is going to be like this, and which is extended upward. All right, and the legs is like the vertical. Okay, so the dancing queen you can see on the top. Let's put it on a stage. It looks something like a stage. Mhm. All right, and I'm doing it to the bottom. Okay, and few strokes I'm going to put like providing the tall grasses at the bottom to show the scenario in a very crowdy or presence of the lots of tall grasses here. Okay, also putting the grasses in these parts too to show the presence of all other grasses and the depth of the jungle area. It looks like the girl is dancing alone, and she's really enjoying it. Now you can take some white color to show the stars and presence of other asteroids in the night sky. It doesn't take much time, but it makes the drawing looks good. So only few dots which presents, sorry, which presents the stars in the sky. I'm painting few of them. Awesome. Okay, so this is the painting. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.